is available, and that's probably what is creating havoc with my health. And we thought कि कुछ कर सकते हैं क्या, हम ऐसा कुछ हेल्दी खाना बना सकते हैं जो हम क्विकली खा सकें, कि ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं तो साथ में ले जा सकें, कभी भी कहीं भी खा सकें. दैट वाज द थिंग विच वी स्टार्टेड विद. कैन वी हैव समथिंग right wherever we are at any point of time, and should be extremely healthy. So we started experimenting different ingredients, different formats, and I met Dr. Adil Arasan, who is one of the food scientists, and उनसे भी मैंने डिस्कशन किया. एंड विद आई थिंक वी डिड सम प्रोबेबली 100+ आइट्रेशंस तो करे होंगे हमने. तो हमने कुछ बनाया वो एकदम ही बेकार था, कुछ और बनाया उसका टेस्ट अच्छा था, न्यूट्रिशन ठीक नहीं था. फिर वी मेड समथिंग कि सब कुछ बढ़िया है बट इट्स यू कैन नॉट ड्रिंक इट और यू कैन नॉट ईट इट. एंड विद दोज थिंग्स वी फाइनली मेड माई डेली. एंड वी ऑल्सो टुक सम इंस्पिरेशन कि हमने देखा सिलिकॉन वैली US में बहुत सारे इस तरह के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो कि एक्सट्रीमली पॉपुलर है. दे आर सेलिंग मिलियंस ऑफ दिस न्यूट्रिशन प्रोफाइल. Macronutrients and micronutrients and it should taste great. So करीब 2 साल के iterations के बाद we got this product in place and it's really good. We really like the taste and अभी तो इसके unique मैंने cases देखे हैं कि लोग कैसे कैसे use करते हैं इसको. So for example मैंने देखा कि कोई travel कर रहा है इंडिया के बाहर, कहता है पता नहीं vegetarian खाना मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा. So they took one box of my daily with them. So multiple uses people are figuring out themselves of this.
So all of you don't know this, but Saurabh went on a My Daily diet just to prove it to himself that it's a perfectly viable meal. And how long was the My Daily diet for?
I think it was 10 days. So 10 days I was just having My Daily. All my meals were My Daily, and I mean I actually felt much more healthier, much more energetic. Yeah, it was great.
So that's all. मेरे पास सिर्फ एक ही सवाल होता है सर बस.
So ये 4 meals per day के प्लान के हिसाब से है. इसमें करीब 500 कैलोरीज है. You need 2000 calories in a day. तो मैंने 4 meals रोज सिर्फ My Daily का था. Nothing else. Yeah, of course some water and those, but nothing else. सब कुछ तो मैं My Daily अपने शेकर में डाल लेता था एंड जहाँ जा रहा हूँ साथ में ले गया. एंड तो 10 दिन तक नहीं किया मैंने वो. बट हाँ मतलब अभी भी मैं ऑलमोस्ट दिन के 1 या 2 मील मेरे My Daily ही होता है. स्पेशली ये टाइम है 3 से 7 के बीच का. तो मैं जब कॉलेज में था तो हमारे को उस टाइम पे हॉस्टल में टिफ़िन मिलता था between 3 to 7, and I got into the habit of having something at that time. And what I realized कि जितने भी लोग हैं हम लोग सब 3 to 7 में extremely unhealthy खाते हैं. या तो वड़ा पाव खा लेते हैं या कुछ हमने इस तरह की चीज़ें खा ली which are full of fats and unhealthy things जो हमें न्यूट्रिशन नहीं देता है. तो अभी भी मेरा 3 to 7 का तो यूजुअली मील यही होता है almost every day.
That is true. Our snack binge is usually responsible for a lot of what we are. But yeah, snacking के time usually हम हमेशा as chefs भी यही बोलते हैं कि आपने अगर अपनी snacking को healthy कर लिया तो आपने बहुत control कर लिया अपनी सेहत पे.
तो अभी मेरे को तो भूख लग रही है तो can we have some of My Daily? We can just
definitely. Suresh, you can start. Also, I'm just curious that we've been seeing My Daily, we have seen the video. We saw Chef Ranveer, dishing out some delicacies. So why not Chef is.
Can I get a packet of neutral My Daily, please? Actually, vanilla. Actually, सारे रखो ना ब्रांड फोटो के लिए. Just keep one packet of each.
Vanilla. Chef, you need vanilla?
हाँ, एक माई डेली रख देते हैं बस. ओके, जब तक हमारा सेटअप हो रहा है, दो चार बातें कर लेते हैं. वनीला वाला खोल दीजिए. सो shakes or smoothies or we live in a world wherein shakes and smoothies have become a common word, right? But they're also a common word for guilt. हम लोग अरे बाप रे बाप, we had a shake and now we are guilty about it. Also, shakes can probably never be a complete meal, right? So सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये होती है हमने स्ट्रॉबेरी शेक पिया, लेकिन हम ये नहीं बोल सकते यार ये कंप्लीट मील था, राइट? बिकॉज हालांकि उसमें माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स थे, दूध का प्रोटीन था या योगर्ट का प्रोटीन था, अच्छे एंजाइम्स थे, उसमें कार्ब्स नहीं थे, उसमें फाइबर नहीं था, एक कंप्लीट मील नहीं था वो. सो हाउ डू यू कन्वर्ट समथिंग व्हिच इज एज सिंपल एज अ शेक इनटू अ कंप्लीट मील, राइट? सो we'll do a very basic recipe. The recipes that we're doing on meal in a minute are a little more complicated, but let's do a very basic recipe. Let's do a blueberry smoothie, but let's do a blueberry smoothie meal. Okay, so which means essentially this is a smoothie you can have guilt free, and you don't have to worry कि अच्छा अभी खाना भी खाना पड़ेगा because smoothie पी है लेकिन nutrition complete नहीं था. Right? So for me, what my daily brought to the table was a sense of completion. कि हाँ भाई, my nutritional and it's a big, it's a very relevant feeling, हाँ? जब आपको ये लगता है कि अब तो ये हो गया कि अगर अब तो ये लगता है कि कैमरे होने नहीं चाहिए, एटलीस्ट पता लगता है कि बातें कौन कर रहा है. So it's a great feeling when you know that what you're having is a complete meal and you don't have to worry about इसके बाद क्या खाऊं या इससे पहले क्या खाऊं, right? So let's do the smoothie. We have some blueberries here. So here are the blueberries. Can I have some water, please? And I have some yogurts. देखिए, blueberries अगर नहीं है, if you don't have blueberries, you don't have to. And a spoon, please. The reason I'm putting blueberries is because, again, they're a source of micronutrients. आजकल micronutrients की बात बहुत हो रही है, और I think it's very important to have a conversation about micronutrients because एक वो भूख है जो हमको हमारे पेट को लगती है, right? We feel hungry. There's also another hunger called hidden hunger, which actually our body feels hungry but we don't know. And that is where micronutrients come into the picture. जो छोटे छोटे nutrients होते हैं ना, iron, calcium, vitamins, magnesium, minerals. So all these are causes of hidden hunger. और मजे की बात यह है कि India is the 7th most hungriest country. मतलब in the world we are number 7 in the countries with the most hidden hunger. मतलब हमें लगता है कि हम बहुत खा रहे हैं, लेकिन it's usually for satiety, not for the body. And hence the importance of having a complete meal is even more. So you're going to add a little bit of water. And we're going to add My Daily Vanilla. Here we are. a little bit of ice. That's the Punjabi in me which says ice हमेशा हाथ से डालो. Now, for sweetness, if you want to add, then you could probably add some honey. So I have some honey here. I would not. Do you have a glass for putting it? My daily glass. तो हाँ, अगर आप चाहें तो शक्कर डाल सकते हैं, नहीं तो हनी इज द बेस्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव. देखिए, सेहत की बात करें, इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड. It's very important to eat as natural as possible. कहते हैं वाइट शुगर से ब्राउन शुगर अच्छी, ब्राउन शुगर से गुड़ अच्छा, गुड़ से गन्ने का जूस अच्छा, और गन्ने के जूस से गन्ना अच्छा. So wherever possible, eat as natural. So use honey as a replacement for sugar. It works. It has the same amount of calories, but at least you're sure that it is natural. Here we are. So the next time you're thinking of making a smoothie at home, now you know you have a solution to make that smoothie a complete meal and have it guilt-free. भाई हम वो हलवाई हैं जो अपनी मिठाई खुद खाते हैं. है जी, बिल्कुल. So like I said, the important thing is everything you make, everything you cook, okay, try and see if it is completing the cycle. Are you eating for nutrition or are you eating for taste? If you can balance the both, and in today's world it's easy to balance the both. And if you're missing nutrition in something, open up My Daily and put it. That nutrition wala part will take care of itself. This could be your papaya smoothie. This could be your smoothie that broccoli, if you can, kiwi fruit, nachni, right? Or My Daily has those micronutrients anyways. Thank you very much. It's always a pleasure cooking, but thank you very much. Thank you. So I think Saurabh would be able to looking at the contents and to explain the contents and what is the diet.
Hi Ranveer, this is Professor Swati Singh. I'm from Vivekananda Institute of Management, Chembur. I belong to Lucknow. So I just wanted to ask, when we talk about Lucknow, we talk about cuisine and especially kebabs. Now with the changing scenario of health and wellness industry, where My Daily is part of health and wellness, how hard it is for a chef like you to mix the taste palette of India with health and wellness, with the ingredients and experiments. So how innovative you can be, it depends upon what your customers expect. So somewhere, how do you balance that?
लखनऊ जाती हैं आप?
बिल्कुल.
कबाब खाती हैं?
बिल्कुल.
ऐसा हो सकता है कि कभी आप लखनऊ जाएं और कबाब ना खाएं? कभी कोई हेल्थ और वेलनेस बीच में आएगी?
नहीं आएगी, but how hard it is for the chef?
So what needs to happen, coming from there, I'm a big proponent of retaining taste. I don't believe in changing recipes to suit. Okay. What I do believe in is reducing portion sizes.
Okay.
I believe in the fact that you should eat to please your senses and not your stomach every time.
Okay.
Right? मेरे हिसाब से जो पुराना खाना था वो पुरानी लाइफस्टाइल के हिसाब से था. आज लाइफस्टाइल चेंज हो चुकी है. अगर वही खाना आज की डेट में खाना है तो उतना नहीं खा सकते जितना वो लोग खाते थे, लेकिन खा ज़रूर सकते हैं.
But the chefs
It's great that it's a part of culinary evolution. I mean, you know, all of us are trying to find, trying to stay up with the genesis. But there are two different things. If I were to give you a galawat ka kebab made with chicken, because chicken is healthier, would you eat it? Would you eat a galawati kebab made with chicken? Nahi na. So all experiments have to respect tradition, they have to respect culture and respect sanity. And we also have to respect the fact that our lifestyles are not the same. So we can't just go out, मतलब हमारे परदादा जो है वो 4 लीटर घी जो है वो 1 हफ्ते में खा लेते थे, इसका मतलब हम नहीं खा सकते क्योंकि हमारी लाइफस्टाइल वैसी नहीं है. उस बात को भी रिस्पेक्ट करना पड़ेगा ना. नहीं स्वाति जी?
Hi, my question is for Mr. Saurabh. Yeah. Ariman.
Yes.
What is the price point you're planning to sell it at, and what are the different variations you plan to offer besides the 3 different flavors which you have now?
Right. So we have right now launched 2 different SKUs for this. One is a single SKU that is priced at 175, one packet. One is a pack of 10, which is available at 1249. And we are also launching a subscription model, and we already actually have people subscribing to it, which is a monthly subscription, which is 30 packs for 2,999.
Okay, thank you. Question for Ranveer. Most chefs have a healthy diet, and they also look healthy. Of late, yes, you have Chef Kunal, who has actually lost weight. How do you actually maintain your diet, and what are your diet secrets when it comes to eating healthy?
Yeah, no, I hear you. I mean, you know, a lot of till some years ago they said never trust a skinny chef, right? कि ये तो खुद ही नहीं खाता अपना खाना, इसको ये हमें क्या खिलाएगा? So fortunately those times have changed. I think it's a combination of 3 things. It's a combination of diet, exercise, and stress. So today's chefs, they diet well, they are a lot more stressed than the chefs of earlier years. And you spend time on exercise. I think that basically does it for chefs. And I'm serious about the stress part, it's not a joke. Ask my manager.
Saurabh, Ashutosh here.
Yeah.
We just heard you were saying like you were on a diet of for 10 days on My Daily.
Right.
Like how many times in a day one can take this?
I was taking it 4 times in a day. This is roughly a 500 calorie meal, and you require around 2,000 calories in a day. I was taking it 4 times, and yeah, I used to be full for the entire day.
Like normally it has around 21 gram of protein in one serving, say like
Yeah.
80 to 90 grams in a
Yes,
day.
yes.
And one more thing, its availability, how one can get this?
So it is
in the market.
available. It's available online on a website, mydailymeal.com. It's available on Amazon, Flipkart, HealthCart. It is also available at Godrej Nature's Basket, and we'll be just launching it in more stores in the coming time.
Hello, this is for Ranveer. How different is this from other supplement?
Sir, I am not into the supplements business, so I don't know about the other supplements as of yet. But what I definitely know is that there's a supplement in the US, especially on the West Coast, that is very popular, that's taken the entire country by storm. And the reason it is popular is because it is assured. सेहत के साथ जो आपके शरीर के अंदर जाता है ना, उसमें assurance बड़ा important होता है. So यहाँ पर you get the same assurance of what you're consuming. And I think that's what makes it unique. It at no point in time My Daily says that we are going to change how the way the world around you, but they definitely at all points say that we are you can consume us throughout the month and we are the safest. And also they stand for not missing a meal. If you see the poster, so it just says that our promise is that you will never miss a meal again. And that's what for me at a basic level, जब खाने से जो रिश्ता होता है ना, तो बड़ा ज़रूरी होता है कि यार दिन में 4 वक्त खाना तो खाना चाहिए ना. At that level, there is a very clear association.
I'll just add to it. One, I think ये supplement कम है, ये replacement ज़्यादा है. तो आप एक meal की जगह पूरा ये ले रहे हैं. And if you compare it with other products which might be available, I think this is a perfect meal. There is no product which has exactly right amount of both macro and micronutrients, protein, fat, carbohydrate, minerals, vitamins, fiber, everything that your body requires in one meal. ऐसा कोई product नहीं है.
So Saurabh and Ranveer, so it was a quite educative session. जैसा कि it's already mentioned, it's a perfectly engineered food, and it's scientifically proved also that it contains all the ingredients. But where does it stand to the home cooked food? What the doctors and most of the VADs, they just say the home cooked food is the far better. So where does it stand in comparison to home cooked food?
I'll just give you my stand and Ranveer can add to it. I think home cooked food is always the best food that you can have. But ये उन occasions के लिए है जब आप home cooked या healthy food खा ही नहीं सकते. अब आप अगर लेट हो रहे हैं ऑफिस के लिए एंड आप कुछ भी खाए बिना जा रहे हैं या रास्ते से कुछ उल्टा सीधा उठा के खा रहे हैं, उससे बेटर ये है. सो इट कांट कंपेयर विथ होम कुक्ड फूड. आपको जब भी होम कुक्ड फूड मिल रहा है आप वो खाइए, जब वो नहीं मिल रहा है तब आप ये खाइए.
Ranveer, Ashutosh here. Taking this with milk, would it be helpful? And can it work as a weight gainer? Taking with milk.
Okay. So I think Saurabh will be able to explain it better. But in my mind, it is not meant to be a weight gainer or a weight loser. It's meant to be to give you equanimity of being, both health-wise and well-being-wise. What we've seen is weight gain is a function of, it's a function of a lot of things. It's a function of what you eat, how much you eat, and how often you eat it. So I think that Saurabh will be able to explain you better. But on the home cooked part, to complete that question, see, there is the ability. There's nothing better than a fresh cooked meal in this whole wide world. ताज़े पके हुए खाने से अच्छा कुछ नहीं होता, ठीक है? लेकिन the point is, all of us also have a commitment to our health, and we don't get ताज़ा पका हुआ खाना all the time. Living in Mumbai or living in Bangalore, and you know, I am jealous of a friend in Indore जो कि लंच में घर जाता है आधे घंटे के लिए, घर जाके खाना खा के वापस आता है. काश हमारी ज़िंदगी वैसी होती, लेकिन वैसी नहीं है. लेकिन हमारा सेहत के प्रति कमिटमेंट उनसे कम नहीं होना चाहिए. एंड दैट इज़ वेयर माय डेली फिट्स इन.
या आई थिंक इसे मिल्क के साथ लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि इसमें ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट न्यूट्रिशन है. तो इफ़ यू टेक इट विद मिल्क इट विल बिकम वेरी हैवी. यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू हैव द एंटायर थिंग. एज रणवीर इज सेइंग कि ये वेट गेन या वेट लॉस के लिए वैसे नहीं है. बट इफ़ अ पर्सन इज़ नॉट ईटिंग इनफ एंड वो काफ़ी सारा न्यूट्रिशन नहीं लेता है एंड वो अगर इसको लेना शुरू करेगा, तो दिस इज़ अबाउट इक्वानिमिटी, राइट? अगर उसका वेट ज़्यादा है और वो जंक फूड खा रहा है या
आपने नाम नहीं बताया. शमा जी, दिस इज़ फॉर एवरीबडी. जी जी जी, आपके बात करने के लहजे से समझ में आ गया. दिस इज़ फॉर एवरीबडी. इट्स नॉट फॉर ओनली women or only people, only men or only people with disabilities or only people with health challenges or only obese people or only people who you know have less weight and they want to gain weight. This is for everybody. It essentially is for people who want to be sure that they are doing their duty towards their health. अपने शरीर के प्रति जो उनकी जिम्मेदारी है, जो लोग निभाना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए है. It's for everybody.
Sir?
हाँ.
देखिए इसमें कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है क्योंकि जो एक नॉर्मल
अगर डॉक्टर ने ये बोला है कि आप आम खाना ना खाइए और ये कुछ परहेज़ कीजिए तो बात अलग है, लेकिन अगर कोई भी कह रहा है कि यू कैन ईट नॉर्मल फूड एट एनी पॉइंट इन टाइम व्हेन यू कैन ईट नॉर्मल फूड यू कैन हैव अ माई डेली.
Sir,
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
सर जैसे कि हम एक मील के बारे में बात करते हैं तो लोगों के माइंड में यही आता है कि मील क्या एक प्रॉपर थाली जहाँ पे रोटी है, सब्जी है, दाल है, तो जो आपका कॉन्सेप्ट है शेक का तो वो क्या लोगों को पसंद आएगा?
नहीं नहीं, अगर आपको थाली मिल रही है प्रॉपर थाली जिसमें कि क्या क्या था, क्या क्या बोला था आपने?
दाल, राइस है,
दाल है, राइस है और क्या है?
सब्जी।
सब्जी है, सलाद भी होगा, चपाती भी होगी. लास्ट आपने ऐसा मील कब खाया था?
टुमारो ओनली।
यस्टरडे, है ना?
या सॉरी यस्टरडे।
कोई बात नहीं. तो जब आप नहीं खाते हो, थाली आपको नहीं मिलती, क्या करते हो फिर? आप खाना बंद कर देते हो?
नो।
तो जब थाली नहीं मिलती तब के लिए ये.
ओके।
या है. No, actually, I don't know if you were there, but I was on it for 10 days, and you know I was feeling much more
using this product.
आपने भी नाम नहीं बताया.
I'm Vandana here from Flame India Publications.
Vandana ji, we have made cakes with this. We made brownies with this. We made puddings with My Daily. We made shakes, obviously. We made a panna cotta. We made a mousse. So yeah, मतलब काफ़ी चीज़ें जो हमने भी नहीं सोचा था हम बना सकते हैं, हमने बना
Basically
ली.
desserts.
हाँ, मतलब basically desserts, yeah.
Thank you.
देखिए आज का जो इवेंट था वो माई डेली के बारे में था. माई डेली एक यू नो वी से दैट इट्स एसेंशियली अ मील रिप्लेसमेंट. अगर आप बहुत भागदौड़ में रहते हैं और अक्सर अपना खाना मिस कर जाते हैं तो उसके लिए एक रिप्लेसमेंट है. व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़ यू कैन जस्ट ओपन अप अ पैकेट ऑफ माई डेली एंड यूज़ इट. मेरा जो पर्सनल स्टैंड है वो ये है कि देखिए खाना मिस नहीं करना चाहिए, बाकी कुछ भी मिस हो जाए. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे पुराने लोग भी यही कहते थे, भाई आए क्यों है, खाना खाना सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ है. शुड नेवर स्किप अ मील. और माई डेली का जो स्टैंड है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो दैट यू शुड नेवर स्किप अ मील अगेन. सो वीव गॉटन टुगेदर और हमने साथ में एक सीरीज़ बनाई है जिसका नाम है रणवीर्स मील इन अ मिनट, जिसमें कि हम ये कहते हैं कि कुछ ऐसी रेसिपीज़ हैं अगर आप ट्राई करेंगे झटपट फटाफट तो आपको कभी मील मिस नहीं करना पड़ेगा, कभी अपना खाना मिस नहीं करना पड़ेगा. So there is so in terms of My Daily, the beauty is that it's pure vegetarian. There are no side effects. You can have it as much as you want. और एक शरीर को equilibrium देने वाला एक meal replacement drink है. And that for me is the beauty of it.
पंजाबी है तो कुछ बात की जाए पंजाबी में तो फिटनेस के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे देसी लैंग्वेज में?
देखिए पंजाबी और नो पंजाबी बट कहते हैं भाई मन चंगा तो सब चंगा. तो फिटनेस जो है इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम हियर. इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम being happy and being happy is very important if you want to stay fit. If you want to stay fit, eat well and always be happy. खुश रहिए बस वही. अगर जी शेफ़ नहीं बनता तो मैं एक पेंटर ज़रूर बनता या फोटोग्राफर ज़रूर बनता. Pleasure. Thank you very much and wish you all a very happy Diwali.
okay. Please come here.
me, Ranveer Brar, and My Daily, and we are coming up with a promise. A promise called My Daily Meals in a Minute. A promise that says you will never, ever have to skip a meal again. My Daily Meal. Perfect meal in 1 minute. No more skipping meals, no more junk food. Say yes to My Daily. My Daily Meal. Perfect meal in 1 minute. Whenever life's hectic and whenever I'm traveling, I always carry My Daily with me because skipping meals is not an option. My Daily in 1 minute. Well, yet again, I'm up to something. Whenever I enter a kitchen, I'm always up to something. This time, that something is very interesting.
We also have director. We also have director of business head of My Daily Meal, Mr. Saurabh Garg. We also have director Anurag Kedia joining us, and Mr. Sunil Rao, again the director of My Daily. They're sitting somewhere backside. Yeah, there they are. But thank you so much for your patience and for waiting. Now I would like to pass on the mic to Mr. Saurabh Garg so that he can take over the event. Thank you so much.
Thanks. Great. Welcome all of you for the launch of My Daily Meal and our series My Daily Meals in a Minute with Chef Ranveer Brar. I'm sure all of you would probably know that today is World Chef's Day, and it's a great pleasure to have Ranveer with us for the occasion. Thanks, Ranveer. Okay, so before we begin, I thought I'll just probably ask you guys a simple question. I know your life is hectic, and how many of you have had a proper both breakfast and lunch today? Okay, I can see some hands going up, but most of the people probably have not. Okay. Another quick question. How many of you have either skipped a meal, had it later than normal, or had something quick in the last 1 week? Okay, I can see again some hands going up. Right. So basically, research shows that almost 72% of work in front of what is happening in the food trends. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि अभी क्या हैं ऐसे trends जो अभी food choices में लोगों के you can see that?
See, I think yes, when you traveling is a virtue for everything. It's not just food. The ability to travel is a big gift because you're exposed to various cultures, you're exposed to various trends. I think one big trend that is here across the world is everybody is very aware of their roots. Everybody is taking pride being themselves, right? The Britishers suddenly are happy being British and not being a part of the European Union. We as Indians are taking great pride in being ourselves, and that's reflecting in food trends. Local foods, sub-regional foods, culturally relevant foods are here, and they're here to stay. I think that's a definite trend that's not going anywhere in the next 5 to 10 years. More than that, I think. So now we have an understanding of something called a hidden hunger. पहले हम लोग सिर्फ पेट भरने के लिए खाते थे, right? आजकल माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट, सुपर फूड्स का ज़माना है, तो हमें पता लगता है कि यार ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें are really important for us. And in this place where we talk superfoods and micronutrients, we've realized that eating a lot is not really important. Eating all the right things is as important as anything else.
Of course, and I think convenience भी एक factor है जो कि food में धीरे-धीरे increasingly the trend is increasing. So how do you think that My Daily fits in with the current food trends or current food preferences of consumers?
I think there are two things. The way I see it is, see, what are the options of convenience that we have today, right? One is from the freezer, and one is something which is from a can, right? Convenience का मतलब यही दो चीज़ है ना, या freezer या can. Or either which ways we're dealing with either preservatives or we're dealing with sometimes time temperature abuse, कि पता नहीं freezer में पिछले freezer में कितने time से पड़ा हुआ है, time temperature abuse हुआ है कि नहीं. So there has to be a fine balance between convenience and nutrition. And My Daily is trying to achieve that fine balance between nutrition, convenience and food safety.
And you travel so much. You've been traveling for the last few months also, and I know that आप My Daily भी use कर रहे हैं. So I would want to know which is your favorite flavor. My Daily में which one do you like the most?
Vanilla. So yeah, so it's a personal choice, but I think yeah. Also, what we've done in a property called Meal in a Minute, जिसका हम लोगों ने promo अभी चलाया, is when I got a hang of it, so I tried to cook with it. कि देखते हैं इसकी brownie बन सकती है कि नहीं, इसका cake बन सकता है कि नहीं, इसके shake बन सकते हैं कि नहीं. And I realized there was a lot more that you could do with it in the kitchen. And a lot of times, like I said, a lot of times we want to cook some stuff, we like, acha, we don't know if it's healthy enough. So for me, My Daily was also one more way of making, assuring that my brownie is healthy and having it guilt-free. Because all the right nutrition is in there. But you should definitely check out Meals in a Minute when it launches. Some very, very interesting recipes, some very interesting, even recipes, you know, that I thought would not be possible, but I tried out and they came out really nice. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Great. So
मैं भी सवाल पूछ सकता हूँ यार, ऐसे थोड़ा ना यार. So no, but what came to your mind? How did My Daily happen?
Right. I think करीब 2-2.5 साल पहले की बात है. हम लोग we had a very, very hectic schedule, and you know, we were running around. I used to travel for 10 to 12 days in a month. And Sunil Anurag जो मेरे साथ हैं, तो we suddenly realized कि we had started gaining a little weight, and I also run, so I realized कि अभी मैं उतना दौड़ नहीं पा रहा हूँ पहले जितना दौड़ता था. तो पहला क्वेश्चन तो यह है कि हम बूढ़े तो नहीं हो रहे हैं. But then we realized कि जो हम लोग खाना खा रहे हैं, when I'm traveling, I'll just pick up